right? But we about to make this Tito's bottle full of pineapple juice.
Hey y'all, it's me, your boy, the burly bartender. So we're here today. We're gonna do a different spin on things. We're not just talking about drinks and cocktails, but anything that might have to do with the bar. So whether it be the glassware that your drinks go in, or a cocktail shaker, muddler, wine opener, anything that you need to use back here. All right, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to check it out. All right, see you later. Have a good one.
All right, so behind the bar, right, we got these cans of pineapple, and then you stab the top, and you turn with the bottle opener, but then you can't seal it. So what you gonna do if the fridge is too small? You can't lay it on the side, it's gonna spill. You gotta find an empty bottle or something and make do. So I emptied the whole can in the cup so I can pour better because I don't have a funnel, right? But we about to make this Tito's bottle full of pineapple juice. Look at that steady pour. Right? So now I can cap it, put it in the fridge, keep it fresh, and throw the can away. And I mean, now it just looks like a bottle of Tito's pineapple, right? So you want to make sure the cup's not too full, otherwise it's going to spill everywhere.